guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are rocking two puffs today. I didn't even grab my products. What am I doing? This one was actually kind of spontaneous, to be honest. I was shopping at Walmart earlier, just literally trying to pick up like 3 things max, and of course I stopped in the hair section and I actually came across this. Let me see if I can get that. I don't know if y'all can see that because the lighting. However, this is the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Detoxifying Mask. It's really a clay mask, and I'm assuming meant to copy the like really popular Aztec clay mask that you can get on Amazon. I haven't run into this at Walmart before, so when I saw it, I was like, all right, I gotta get this. So I went ahead and picked it up. It was, let's see if the price is still on here. It couldn't have been any more than $5, which was also really cool. I actually had the Aztec clay mask in my cart on Amazon, like literally was just about to buy it, but it's been sold out since quarantine. I don't know if everybody doing this or what, but I could not get my hands on it. So when I saw it at the store, I was like, all right, I gotta grab this. So today we're gonna try out the clay mask on my hair. This is day 7 hair, maybe day 6, but she's dry, period, and she's ready to come out. I kind of didn't really do anything special with this wash day. To be honest, I did a wash and go, and I think I wore it in a puff all 6 days, so we didn't get much use of it out of it this time. I have been deep conditioning lately, but I feel like I'm still getting like single strand knots and just a little bit more shedding than what I would like, even though my hair is super thick. So I'm hoping that this clay mask really helps just kind of bounce my hair back and get some really good results. So let's see. Hold on, and then really quick, y'all, before I get started, I just opened it and I was like, let me make sure I tell y'all what it's looking like. So one, it looks like this, like literally charcoal clay. I feel like I'm about to have pottery. It smells strong, okay. I don't know about that. And from my understanding, you literally just apply it to your hair dry. I feel like I should wet my hair a little bit, but it says dry. Okay, we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna go off camera, split my hair into 4 different sections. We'll start on the back section dry. And if I feel like I need to add water, I'm gonna add water, because we just gonna do that anyways.
Oh, I'm gonna do that anyway. Because that's how I am.
Okay, so as you can see, my curls are super clumped. They barely want to move, but they're clumped, sis. If there's anything that I'm noticing right now more than anything else, is the length. Sis, I have natural hang time, but also my hair is literally heavy right now. Like, it has weight to it. So my hair is hanging really nice and low and has really, really good hang time, considering it was up in a ponytail like this for the past 6 days. So I am pretty satisfied with this. Let me give you one more look. Let's do that side.
Dylan got it bumping. got it bumping.
Cool. So I literally am scraping, but there really isn't much left, and I feel like I might as well just, you know what I'm saying, use it all. So I'm just gonna go through and apply to my roots and down the shaft of my hair. Next thing it says is to leave it in for 30 minutes. Now this side of my hair probably honestly already been 30 minutes, but still gotta give this side some time. I'm gonna come back 30 minutes later. I'm not gonna take y'all in the shower with me, but it's pretty simple from here. I'm just gonna wash it out, go in with my Strengthen and Restore shampoo, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and then their leave-in conditioner. This one is from the Manuka Honey Euphoria Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. Same company, different lines, but same shit. It needs the Okay, so here you see me taking out my twist. I just finished my wash day with the shampoo and conditioner that I showed you guys. I also did a leave-in with As I Am, and y'all, my hair feels so soft. I am very impressed with this clay mask, would definitely recommend. After this, I just did a regular wash and go with Wetline Extreme Gel. I'll insert some pics in just a second, but you'll see my definition was crazy. My hair felt super healthy and bouncy. And overall, I'm really impressed. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.